So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're gonna scroll down till you find Windows Update. Double click on it. Now, if you want to turn it on, then you're gonna make the startup type either automatic delayed start, automatic or manual. Then you're gonna click on start, which will then make the service status running. This will now turn it on. If you want to turn it off, then you're gonna make the startup type disabled and then click on stop. Wait for this to load, which will now make the service status stopped and then click on OK. So I hope you guys got that. You can replay the video again to see what I said. And then once you make your selection, so in my case, I'm gonna make this automatic. I'm now gonna start it again. So in my case, I want to start Windows Update. So now that I have it started, you now want to type in B on your keyboard. You want to find Backward Intelligent Transfer Service. Double click on it. Now you want to repeat what you just did for Windows Update for Backward Intelligent Transfer Service. So in my case, I turned it on, so I'm going to make this automatic and then click on Start, which will now make the service status running. And if you turned off Windows Update and you want it to be turned off, then you want to also turn off this as well, Backward Intelligent Transfer Service. So you're going to make the startup type disabled and then click on Stop, which will now stop the service. So all you need to do is select the same option for both Windows Update and for Backward Intelligent Transfer Service. That's how you do it.